Hi, and welcome back. Today, Rainman's installers are going to be installing 6-inch galvanized steel half round up in Ione, Washington. In this clip, Rainman installers are installing the 6-inch half round galvanized hangers. It takes 6 screws per hanger. There is also a clip that attaches to the rain gutter. Generally, these hangers are powder coated, although this job is done in pre-finished galvanized. In this clip, we have Brett, our foreman of over 25 years of gutter experience, attaching the end cap, sealing the end cap. Here he is drilling a hole and attaching the outlet for our 3-inch round downspout to attach to. These gutters are made out of bolt coil 26 gauge galvanized steel. They are made to the nearest 1/4 inch custom fit for your home. Here we have our installer Mike of over 20 years installing the 3-inch round galvanized steel. This downspout being done in steel is very tricky to get that screw started, however it looks phenomenal on the home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a call today for your free estimate at 509-536-4460. Thank you. Bye.